What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, and I think it's about time to start these vlogs again. So I'm in the S2000 right now, and by the title of this video you already know I'm going to be doing something with the exhaust. Now I'm just gonna download something really quick. Where is it? Wow. So pretty much this is something where I can see how loud my exhaust is. And as I'm talking right now, the little needle's going up and down. I'm gonna try this with my exhaust just to get an idea of how loud it really is, because honestly the exhaust on this car is a lot louder than the Evo. And if I got pulled over on the Evo for a modified exhaust, sooner or later I'm going to be getting pulled over in the S2K for a loud exhaust. So I'm going to be setting this in the back while I do a cold start, and let's see how loud this car really is. I think I'm going to put my phone right here, just like this. I'm going to leave my phone there, and I'm gonna turn on the car really quick. I haven't started the car at all today, so it should be pretty loud. So it doesn't seem like it's that loud. I think the highest your exhaust can be is 95 decibels in the state of California. And at a cold start that wasn't too loud, but that's just at idle. So I'm gonna let the car warm up, and once it's at a normal temperature I will rev it at about close to 4,000 RPM. I think that's what they do. So again, this doesn't mean this is how loud my car is. I'm just trying to do a little experiment for what I'm gonna do to the exhaust. Just showing you guys the skunk2 silencers in the bag. Brand new. Alright guys, so I made it to the little street that I wanted to come to. I'm going to be setting up the GoPro on the rear bumper of the car. That way you guys can hear the exhaust, and hopefully you guys can hear it, because the audio on the GoPro isn't that great, but let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so I hope you guys were able to hear that. I am going to put the clips one after another after I put on the silencers so that you guys can tell the difference. But let me know in the comments once you hear them. Does it make a difference? Did that actually sound loud at all? So I've never heard my car been driven, so I can't really tell if it's loud outside, but it's definitely super loud inside. I really have to turn up my volume all the way up when I'm listening to music, and so I don't know how loud my car is. Comment down below, tell me if it's really loud, annoying. Yeah, so let's head on back home and let's do the quick little install. Just showing you guys how the silencers came out after the paint job. Not bad. Alright guys, I'm on my way back to the little street, and driving the car with the silencers on is actually not that bad. I kind of like it. You can still hear a nice deep growl out of the exhaust, so I'm liking that. I kind of did a little pull and it actually sounded pretty good, so on my way there. Hopefully you guys can hear how it sounds like inside the car. But I think I'm actually gonna like it. And we're back guys. I'm gonna be setting up the GoPro once again on the rear bumper. The silencers are now on. I really don't like the look of them, but it's better than getting pulled over. So yeah, I'm gonna be setting up the GoPro again on the car, and hopefully you guys can hear the exhaust. It's not that bad actually, kinda like it. So let's do this really quick before I get kicked out. I know the silencers aren't the prettiest thing, but it's better than getting another ticket, getting pulled over for a loud exhaust. Let me know down in the comments. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Would you do it to your own car? I think so. Overall, I think the car sounds great. It's not that quiet. I think it's still a little too loud, but it's just the right tone. So I'm enjoying it so far. Maybe down the road, who knows? I might take them off, but for now, they're gonna stay on. Did you guys see that? I don't know if you guys saw that. A freaking cop just flew by me. Oh, he's trying to wait for me. He's trying to wait for me. This motherfucker ain't gonna wait for me. Look at him. Oh shit. Ah, he's fucking waiting for me. I ain't that dumb. I'm going this way. Fuck that. See you guys on the next video.